So that's how we have gone from general form of a quadratic equation. So our quadratic formula.
In today's class, we'll be considering the general quadratic formula, how we go from the general form of a quadratic equation to the quadratic formula. So while we are going through the class, if you have your questions, drop a comment down below and we'll treat it in due time. And always make sure to like and follow our page for more videos like this. Okay? Thank you very much and enjoy the class.
So today we are going to be considering the general quadratic formula, also known as the almighty formula. So how do we derive the almighty formula? This kind of questions come out in WAEC essays. So that is why we are going to be looking at how we derive, starting from here, which is the general form of a quadratic equation. The form of a quadratic equation is 8x squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we are going to be using completing the square method to get from here to here. Okay, so the first thing you do by using completing the square method, by completing the square here, we have that our constant, which is c, move over to the right side. So we'll say that c moves over to the right side, we become negative. That is the first thing you consider. The next you consider is the equation of x squared. The equation of x squared here is 8. So, very the same. Dividing both sides by this t. Okay? That's what we'll do. If we do that, what x squared plus dx all over a is equals to negative c all over a. Once you have done this and you are saying that the coefficient of x squared here is 1, you consider the coefficient of x. In this case, remember the coefficient of x squared is 1 here. That means the coefficient of x will be b over a. I'm going to write this b over a x. So the coefficient of x is b over a. I'm going to pick it up. B over a. Let me put it there. If we have b over a, level 2, multiply it with half. That means you're looking for half of b over a. And then we're going to square it and add it to both sides. So half of this is b over 2a, or probably adding it to the left hand and right hand side of the equation. So we'll have that x squared plus b over 8x plus b over 2a all squared is equals to negative c over a plus. So from here we have that b squared, then 2 squared is 4 and a squared is, okay. So after doing this, the next thing you consider is that we are going to ignore this term, this middle term, and say that x squared is common or squared is common to both x and b over 2a. So we are going to pick one square and say that this is the same thing as x plus b over 2a all squared is equals to negative c over a plus b squared over 4a squared. If you look at the right hand side of the equation, you see that we are having two fractions. I'm going to make it 1. Then I will continue this particular process. So we're going to say this plus 2 from the LCM of a and 4a squared is 4a squared. Okay, as we say, a and then 4a squared. We are looking for the LCM of algebraic expressions. Let's pick a. Look at the by both terms to give us 1 and 4a. Then a will still divide again to give us 1 and 4. Then 4 will give us this. So we have 4 times 3 times a, which is 4a squared in the LCM. So a divides 4a squared. Let's see. 4a times c will give us negative 4ac. Okay? Plus 4a squared divides 4a squared is 1. 1 times b squared is a squared. We're going to write this as x plus b over 2a all squared is equals to b squared minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So we have arrived at this stage. The next thing we're going to consider is b squared. We're going to remove it by saying find the square roots of both sides. So if we find the square root of both sides, this square root, we take our square off, so we will have that, this is x plus b over 2a is equals to we're only going to consider the square root of the denominator in this case, and then leave the numerator as it is. Like what I was saying, it's only b squared that we can say as the perfect square, and then this will still carry the sign, the square root sign. So what we do is that we just look for the square root of the denominator to give us 2a. So what is up there? Square root of b squared minus 4 is c. Okay? So if you look at our final form of the quadratic equation or the general formula here, you discover that x is a known here. So I'm going to make x a known. So that then that x is equals to negative b over 2a. Okay, we're supposed to add something here, which is plus or minus. That one. So plus or minus here. So we now say that negative b all over 2a plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that is it. We discover that these denominators are common. So pick one to give us negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's how we have gone from general form of a quadratic equation. So our quadratic formula